Hi everybody. I want to go over the Week 2 assignments for English 101 to explain a little more what you should do. So as you look at the instructions, you'll see that the first thing you're going to do is some reading. Please make sure you read all of these items. There are links here that take you directly to those pages. It's all very important information. Once you've done that, you are going to decide what writing prompt you are going to use for your Unit 1 personal essay. There's a link here to your to the essay prompts, but you can also reach them if you go into content and into the course readings and look at diverse stories. But let's click on the link. So here you see that there are 5 writing prompts. There really are 4, and then the 5th one is if you have your own idea, that would need to be pre-approved. So email me if you are interested in your own idea. Otherwise, you're going to pick one of these prompts. Once you've done that, you're going to decide your overall thesis or point or main idea for your essay. So what is going to be your response to the writing prompt? Thinking of the overall point. Once you do that, then you can start to think about how you're going to support that information with your own ideas as well as references to the article you read for this unit. The assignment that is graded this week is an outline of your personal essay. So again, make sure that you do all the reading, particularly about writing an outline, and then create your own outline using a Word document, or you could use Google Docs or Word 365. Let's look at a sample of what you might do. So use a formal outline. So use Roman numerals for the main points. When you indent, you'll use capital letters. If you need to indent again to give more detail, you'll use numbers. You're going to have 5 Roman numerals, probably. You must have an introduction. You must have a conclusion. And we would recommend at least 3 body paragraphs. So in your introduction, you are going to introduce us to the basic topic of your essay, and you will end with your thesis statement. So on your outline, what you can do is just give me in a complete sentence your thesis statement, the overall point in reaction to the writing prompt, and that would go here. Under Roman numeral 2, you will put your first main point. How are you going to explain or develop your thesis statement? Make sure you give that topic sentence here in your outline. Don't just list main point. Go ahead and write out the sentence that explains your first supporting point. Then for the A, B, and C, you are going to provide specific details. These details should come from your life, and they should also come from things that you learned from the reading that you did. So you would want to provide that information. Remember, anything that you use from the article, you will need to cite. So on the outline, it might even be a good idea to put that citation right here in the outline. So you would put the writer's name and comma and the year in parentheses. Now, if you copy from the article that you read, in other words, you are directly quoting it, then when you give that information, please put quotation marks around that information and copy it exactly. And then in your citation, you're going to give the author's last name, you're going to give the year of the article, as well as the paragraph number. So again, anything that is from you, from your ideas, you just list the information. Anything you're getting from the article, you need to cite it If you said it in your own words, you would be paraphrasing, and you can use this citation, just author's last name and the year. If you are copying word for word, then you need to put quotation marks around that material and include the paragraph number of the precise location of that material. Now, in this sample outline, there are A, B, C. That's a good model, but you don't have to follow that exactly. And then again, for your second main point and your third main point, you would do the same thing. So give a new Roman numeral, be sure to write out that topic sentence, and then for your details, use your capital letters. If you do need to give some more information, indent again and use your numerals or your numbers. When you come to the conclusion, that's going to just wrap up what you're saying in a fresh way. So give your best shot at how you might conclude your essay. Once you have done that and saved it, you'll go back into the course. I'm going to switch here to a student view. And I have a link here for where you will submit it. So you click on that link, it will take you to the assignment. And if you scroll down, you will come to a place where you can add your file and submit it. Notice that there is a due date for this assignment. It is graded, and if you turn it in late, you will lose points. All right, and then the two final items to do are to think about how you're going to set up your paper and to review about paraphrasing from your sources. So there are two links here, and these are basically tutorials for you. The paraphrasing you can read, the APA format. Remember, you're going to need to model that next week when you actually write your essay. All right, that's it for this week. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.